All right, let's take a look at this next set of problems here. A situational problem. All right, we love situational problems. Pictures at the prom cost $15. Jeez. For the basic package and 75 cents for additional pictures. All right, well, let's see. Pictures of the prom cost $15 for the basic package. So it looks like we're paying $15 regardless here. And we're paying 75 cents for additional pictures. All right, well, thinking in this vein of thought that we've been thinking in with constant, with the idea of having a constant and the idea of having a multiple meaning the rate, whatever the rate is in our situation. What do you think is the rate and which do you think is the multiple here, 15 or 0.75? So keep that question in mind as we think about this situation. The independent variable and the dependent variable. Well, we need to ask ourselves, what is changing here? It looks like our cost can change depending on how many pictures we buy. So if cost depends on pictures, then our dependent variable would be total cost, because total cost depends on the number of pictures we buy. So do you see how the number of pictures determines total cost, and total cost depends on our independent variable? So what is the rate? Well, the only two numbers we have here are $15.75, and it looks like here that 75 cents is what it costs for each additional picture. So the rate here would be 75 cents per picture. Well, technically per additional picture. And the starting amount is $15 for the base package. Write an equation for the cost as a function of additional pictures. Okay, so write an equation for the cost. See, and actually, look at this. Number 10 tells you what the answer to number 8 is, because it's telling us write an equation for the cost as a function of additional pictures. So our cost is a function of how many pictures, 0.75p, we buy, plus 15. And look, doesn't this equation fit our form here? We have our multiple, our rate, which was 0.75 cents per picture we buy. And so that's how I got that p right here. That's why that p variable sits right there next to the 3/4. And our 15 is, well, that's our constant. That's what we have to pay in the beginning. That's what we have to pay regardless. So that we just tack that right onto the end. So that 15 here is our constant. If we spend $18.75, how many pictures did we buy? Well, here it's telling us what our total cost was. If C equaled $18.75, how many additional pictures did we buy? It sounds like we just set up a multi-step equation. 1875 equals 0.75p plus $15. After we solve that, the answer is 5 pictures. Come on. my apologies. It looks like the email machine is acting up here. Here we go. All right.